Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today is the 24th day in a series where I am taking the contents of advent calendars, 5 advent calendars, opening them up, showing you the contents, and I am donating the contents to a nonprofit. I'll put a link in the description box down below for more information about this, and I will begin with the OPI Nutcracker calendar. Ooh, this is a really interesting color. It's called Black to Reality. It's like a black kind of brownish duochrome. Really hard, it's hard to tell when you're just looking at it in the bottle, but that looks really interesting. Hopefully someone will enjoy that. Next is the NYX calendar, and this is another eyeshadow. This is the last day for the NYX calendar. Ooh, that's pretty. Really deep purple, eggplant kind of, like that a lot. I'm gonna need to check out NYX eyeshadows. I really haven't used them ever since like the 3 pans from a long time ago, so I need to check that out. Last day for the Body Shop. Oh, and this is good. This is a decent size. This is 50 mils, 1.7 ounces of the almond milk and honey body butter. This is nice. Yeah, this calendar has not been impressing me. Of all of them, I wouldn't recommend the Body Shop one, really at all. All right, look fantastic. Oh, and this is nice. This is an Erno Laszlo multitask eye serum mask. So it's one of those masks that is kind of individually wrapped, and you can put the little things under your eyes. So hopefully someone will like that. That's nice. And Space and K. Oh, this is nice, and I can kind of even smell it through this. This is the Malin & Getz eucalyptus deodorant. So no aluminum, not an antiperspirant, just a deodorant. And this smells nice. Hopefully someone will enjoy that too. So thank you so much for watching. There's one more day, and I have 3 of the calendars that are in the last day, so I'll be back for one more day. Thank you so much for watching this. I've really enjoyed filming, and I'll enjoy editing, and I'll really enjoy giving this stuff away. I'm grateful that I'll be able to just give a lot of really nice stuff to people who maybe wouldn't otherwise have it. Just surprise someone with something fabulous. So thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world and a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.